Gazeregi. Very soon, and the Oshongoloko Gijueba. I get one can have a comment, man. I'm waiting for them because of the caption on this thing. Why I hate Ipob. You see, people has been asking me, bro. She not be only you they buy their brothers, not be only you they buy their sisters. So many people, not be only you they born there in his house. So many people have experienced even more than you or experience one or two. That everybody is always almost happy. I mean, almost angry that I should calm down. You know, some are calling me, some are coming to my inbox, some are saying one or two. Some say that you have jailed Nnamdi Kanu. Can you now relax? Have peace. Some are saying all manner of things, but I'm here today to give you my reasons why I hate them with passion. You see, they said, "Onye gbara m egbe agawa m mgbo. He who shot me will not operate the bullet nominee matter. He who shot me will not be the one to treat me." Okay? I wanted to share this life for me. One of the reasons I hate Ipob is this. Today we are going to, if you want to join me, you can send your request. You can send your request when the time comes. There is one song I like listening to. It says, Olule, 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 Olu anyị niile nwere ugbo. Olule, 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 Olu anyị niile nwere ugbo. All right, because before I'm Ganiru, don't forget that now we are in a Christmas period. Please try to Baramado Christmas. Try to put a smile on somebody's face. Kubara Shipri just returned and was with a lot of gifts, and the people of Umuhokabia are happy and are jubilating. So many people burais. So many people bundomi. It is good to be good. So those people then on around you that could not buy 1 derica of rice, please try to help them. Make sure that now at least something got to them. Okay? That's something got to them. Very, very important. Why are you doing that? Okay, back to my discussion why I hate Ipob. You see, you claim that you have Ndi Igbo n'obi. You claim that you love Ndi Igbo. Then problem are they? Ibankete. A problem caused by you. An Igbo was calm before you start your agitation. Before you start your agitation, we used to stay outside. The hotel manager said entertainment manager, and we mention by 2, 3. Then I have to drive down to my house without stop. The only people I will see but the vigilante. They have known me just to shine their lights. Now we drove off. I will follow that lonely road without nobody stopping me to ask me why. Smart, non so agree to you. If I Ignatius, agree to you. My brother, if I Kemezie, I greet you, my brother. Merry Christmas in advance. If I Kemezie, make a question about Christmas. Or be room okay about Christmas. I'm not looking at comment section though. If I Kemezie, Christmas, it'll be about Christmas. Kona agafele m ndị na-agbara Christmas. Can't forget a comment section. If I Kemezie, I'm not looking at comment section. So can I continue? I will be waiting for your reply in our comment section. I'm need your account number. Or senior brother K. If I Kemezi. So now we'll be following that road without nobody asking me where are you coming from or this or that. Then we were enjoying our community. That village like that. Then Ena Batana my Ogbe. And I'm with Aya too. Now Christmas Iruna. I'm with Aya too. I'm with Aya Shefo. Or a bubbling place. Where my brother name a business in mind. It's a bubbling place. Okay? Shade Daro Jimba, I greet you. Now we'll be doing all those things. Obudana bubble. Then you started your agitation. Things started changing. We were inviting top Nollywood actors into us because we really want people to start shooting in Oluzon because there interesting locations in Oluzon, especially Osun. If I hear Kevezi, now that big man I want make you come out. The big man I can't show a come out or Dorothy, welcome. Shidi. Dorothy, welcome to my live broadcast. Okay, big man I go near wepe. So then, and every celebrity, that place in Apomoda Valley, we have shot there. We have shot movies, not movie. We have shot movies at that place. That valley, we have shot movies. Nobody was kidnapped. Top celebrities have entered there. Shot like 4, 5 days, 6 days. Nobody was kidnapped. Nobody was pushed. Nobody was stopped. Nobody interrupted us for one day. It was peaceful. After shooting, Hagejob Abagoto Ugwa, celebrities, that kidnapping on a buy. Don't you think that now those people thereby they will kidnap them? Because our place is very peaceful, they will come for shooting, they will stay like 3, 4, 5, 6 days. They will go back. Tomorrow they want to come. Our place is so peaceful. So they say my own location. I'm not going to mention names. Top celebrities, about 2, have asked me not to lodge them in the hotel, but lodge them in the house I was using because there is this particular powerful house. Somebody gave me the key and asked me to be using it for shooting, for movie shooting. And I was using that place. So when I lodged the person in the hotel, then the person came to that place, said, no need of going to that, he want to stay here. Tell me who celebrity want to stay in somebody's house. But because they have found out that our place is very, very peaceful, without security, he slept in that house for 2 days. Our place was peaceful. Then you introduce your ESN in a peaceful community. Ijele. Doribe. King of the game, welcome to my live broadcast. I greet you. So then you brought in the Biafra agitation. You brought in the what is it called? ESN. They came. Then the community people were not. Listen to me. I want you to be following me. Then make sure you are sharing this live broadcast. And be getting ready for my Christmas gifts. So, Ijele, say, your people decided to look for Biafra. We no look for Biafra though. Not be we. Not be we. They took us on our way. Then fear. Anything. We did everything under duress. Everything we did was under duress because they took us on our way. Okay. So now, the community, the peaceful community that have never, we have a very big market. It is called Ekototo International Market. If you come to this market, or a very big market, but for one day, and we'll be having a riot na that market. Shake gonu ebe nwuru ndị agboro na-alụ ọrụ. But enwebe ihe a na-akpọ riots. Anụbọgụ a na-agbara ọsọ. Since I was born, to show you how peaceful this community dey. Then we continue like that. You brought in your ESN. The community that have never experienced riots. The community the community, the very peaceful. Abruzia community. Mazi 6 years. My son of AK. Bagging AK-47, bagging AK-49, bagging AK-pump, bagging Kenya Diano. Mazi 6 years. They will tell you the people that shot the gun. Mazi 6 years. The condition Ipob that is not my complaint. No. I am coming. Help me to share this live. Kenneth Emeka greets you, my brother. Almost all my life there. They can shake your profile again. When share my post. Odogwata is here. Odogwata. Before I continue, let me use this opportunity to say Merry Christmas to the executive governor of executive chairman of Osun local government, Honorable Engineer Friday Ibekeme, and also commend you for a work well done. The secretariat is almost done. It's almost done because Ipob ESN destroyed the secretariat to the extent that they painted the gates to Biafran flag, and it was celebrated by Ipob leaderships, showing that they are aware of what really happened. You got to go. So now you are in position. You are now the executive chairman of our local government, and you have been doing everything possible to make sure that our place work again. Thank you. I come out cap for you, and I want to also use this medium to plead to you. Please try to do Christmas. Try to give away this Christmas period to the less privileged. Kubana sheep priests have taken care of Ndumu Hokabia, but it's not enough. Okay? There are so many big men who have done one or two, but I want to plead with you. Despite everything, I love what you are doing. You have flagged off road creating. Very, very good. And there are work going on in our local government. But I want to plead with you. Agwo, the Meronde Madaho. They may not talk to you, but I'm in a position to listen to them. I'm in a position. They are free to talk to me than you. They may not reach you. If I open my WhatsApp, I'm controlling many also LGA WhatsApp. So, and as the spokesperson of also LGA youth, so many of them are free to talk to me. Agwo on a Meronde Madaho. It's about Agwo, the Meronde Madaho, not local government. You may not understand this because of your position or maybe in the with you. The councillors are not there to work on the grassroots. That is the problem of Nigeria. The people question to the people and communicate with the government. That is the thing edosra. You know, edosra something to communicate. From here, you communicate because that is the work of councillors, and that is to the chairman, and that is the work of chairman to the governor and the House of Assembly there. That is that bridge edosra for them. From the people in the Hanashi and pass it to the chairman. Are they doing it? The answer may be yes, it may be no. So Owerri na hana pass regia, but you choose to be egelentia name Owerri na hana pass regia. Owerri na hadia pass regia at all. So I am here now to tell you that na go on a bunde mado. Is but go. So try ya pico megodno give away. Give away. No matter how little or blood the mado gagodiga sienne. The man got saying, especially in a Christmas here. You want to go? Because all the very important. I am pleading. I want to commend you on your work well done. You have been doing marvelously well. I personally, I love what you are doing, and I want to say a very big thank you. And please continue your good work. I'm that challenged it so much. I know the LGA I came from, one of the strongest and stubborn LGA. This is not there well. But please, we need you in a time like this. Thank you. Let me go back to what I was saying. Now, this introduction of ESN brought in so many pains, and you people did not feel anything. Small time, Shina Sanwo will come on air and start calling the name of the people he have used, the people you establish, and saying they are not. You are debunking them. Are you not stupid? You are debunking them. Start calling their name. The 50 you were talking about. I heard you mentioning 50 in one of your broadcasts in on what do you call January 22, January, I think 2022. The broadcast you made, you were busy. You were busy calling people name. You were busy calling people name. You were calling some names saying they are not your members. Whereas when you people, because why I said that you people are aware of how the prison was breached. Because that camp, Butuso, you praise when Butuso bite baby of Odire. That camp, Butuso, no, that Mother Valley, Butuso, no. But I take you over. Then baby of Odire also. Butuso, Ejebu baby of Odire. Who was the commander there? Ogabuye, that Butuso, he praised you for buying baby of Odire. Bo, the same person on that Mother Valley. Now, that particular Mother Valley, Ebugo so many people. Eli goes to so many people in the Mother Valley. So I have everything to tell you that no one ga Wawa prison start to be corrected anyway. But before you correct me, don't forget that in that particular Mother Valley, why break prison? That was when 50. A break prison, that day a break prison. Ka 50 in a prison with Okwi, the Kambo, our village person, not a prison for kidnapping one of our brother's wife. On a prison. Then a break in that prison, and all of them was seen in that Mother Valley. The same Mother Valley. Butu zone ime when you praise him for buying baby of Odire. The same Mother Valley, Ikoso with Micah Hize, created, formed, built, and opened. So, you will be coming out and start debunking. Because maybe, hadi egeziginte, makibu yonyo here will have a problem. Open up at the egbe. That's your debunking. Is fallacy. It hold no water. Now, back to what I was saying. You brought in the criminals into Osu LGA in the name that you are forming Eastern Security Network. Then you came out and started debunking. Because it showed that you know that what did you do to stop Inhoja? Nothing. That is why I hate you people with passion. Nigeria government, Abia state government and some Anambra state government, they formed Bakassi. When they formed Bakassi, everything was moving fine. This is a legal one. Your own is illegal. Formation of ESN is illegal. Now the government own is legal. They form Bakassi and they find out that the woman go to Bakassi ebidona rojo. What did they do? Legal one government though, they have to dissolve it. Tell me, you and the government, who is better? Who have Ndi Bonobi? The people you are condemning, you and them now, in this case, judge, who has Igbos in their mind. They find out that the Bakassi they created, they dissolve it. That is the way to prove that you love your people. When ESN, why who no shop putara na ESN, no buru ni abo agenda unu. If buying of Ndi Igbo are not your agenda, if it is not part of your agenda, if you don't have agenda of Christian genocide, if you don't have agenda or against Christianity, if you don't have agenda against Ndi Igbo, if you are not working for our enemies of Ndi Igbo, what you should have done is to dissolve the ESN. But you never did. Why I hate Ipob? You never show interest. Even when I started exposing people, when I started, so many of you called me on phone, and what you told me, I should wait until Nnamdi Kanu come out. So we will wait for eternity. Had it been you people dissolved ESN, Sama and Epa may not be able to get grant. Though I know all of you are working together. This Ngozi Orabez and Kone Meketa might not be able to get the grant, and which is going to fail her. I have seen it already. I have scratched them already. Nkwaka. I have scratched them already. Not just me, we have scratched them already. Because people have known the truth now. People have known the truth, so we have scratched them. Unlike before, nobody will come out to challenge you people. Today, people are coming out to challenge you people. So how are you saying that we have never scratched them? Nkwaka. With a fake name. If you love Igbo, look at the way I'm showing my face. If I pass you on the road, you can say, yeah, this is the man. Can you do that? If you love an Igbo, can you do that? All of you will hide with fake name, fake picture. And you are saying you love Igbo. John Peter greets you. Chukwuka Stephen, I greet you. Onobaru mere Igbo. Esibotaru mere Igbo. What did you do? Why didn't you dissolve it? Up to today. But show me nothing. Nothing to show. Editing. I'm an editor. We're editing lie down. When I couldn't fear no being the mother. Christmas erugo kita video no na kita bo ngara agba ebe. What are you trying to do? That means unu agenda. You don't want people to be coming home. If you people want people to be coming home, why are you posting doctored videos? Why? Why are you people posting it? Just to create fear. It may not be, no, I agree. But your social media warriors, some of them are posting it. To create fear for people not to go home. What will you gain if people doesn't go home? You are creating fear in the minds of people because you don't want them to come home. It simply means that no one don't know. Oh no, when don't know na I creating AY, my brother. I greet you, AY, my brother, AY Victor. Credo, Mary, I greet you. Osipat, I greet you. Chris Nadis, I greet you. Chris Nadis, remind me that place you are. I think Okwagi. Okwagi, yes. Remind them ever. Because one Christmas gift to Kwamo. One it grab. I'm no more maka where no mama. I'm one of mototom. One economy mototom on easy. Christmas gift to more. Obro had on a budget taking a room. About Christmas. But Quaromum. I greet you people. Yes, that is the chairman of Osun local government. Honorable Chief Engineer Friday Ibekeme, the executive chairman of Osun local government. That is his picture. Age of opportunity a year because and one day Christmas or the very, very important share we can all man there. Just calling his attention here. Because someone on the follow more from we can on watch now. I'm going to watch almost all the councillors are following me. All the way from Malaysia. In Malaysia, Igbo. All the guy going to Malaysia, cheap. All the way to go see you. God power, I greet you. So many of you, all this, the only people in the level put their faces are the leaders. But on the So many of you say, if I'm upland the Ipob, I'm a kudia on you know. On an apota, now roar because of one man here. Before the mean of Bunda, the Brana walk on our wall. Look at my face. Can you bring out your face like this? That defines the love I have for Igbo. That alone defines the love I have for Igbo. When I got started, if I wish to be wearing mask, I will wear mask. If I choose to be wearing mask, I will. But my step shows you the love I have for Igbo, for my LGA. It doesn't start today. If I start showing you pictures of my work in the past in also local government, I brought today. So don't say it's not today, go Peter. For some of you, and then go and ask of Kesh also. I didn't give myself Kesh also. My name is Mr. Kesh. Now, people of also that gave me Kesh also, go and ask questions. I didn't give myself Kesh also. My name is Mr. Kesh. But they choose to be calling me Kesh also because of my involvement in activities non also. All they make also them. So why I hate them so much? If you truly love Ndi Igbo, what you should have done, but by here from them will make a problem. You dissolve your ESN. Though not illegal. The formation, the very, very illegal. But upon no bunde love Ndi Igbo, you dissolve it. When you were hearing news of the pits and Egwu, of course I have been hearing that now. Now one of you think your spokesperson, now you're in an instruction, you are not mad. I don't know how true that is. Hey, Ihanyi Shuku, my brother. Hey, oh good. My ruggy bell, my ruggy bell. What do I have to do, man? What do I came here message? Man, already have it. We just have a church, Father Yoha. Ayohana, na Catholic church, Imran already have it. Oh, yeah, my Ihanyi Shuku. Merry Christmas, my brother. Merry Christmas, my brother. Merry Christmas. My brother greets you. As person you be. Yes, my sincere worries is the fact that Nnamdi Kanu, the grand Eberima, is still alive. He should have long been shown the way out of this world. Speechless. Then Ume Samson said, okay, let me be reading comments because today our live broadcast get to work. Kesh, the red Nnamdi Kanu Ipob damaged brain of Igbo youth went beyond repair. Some tell said some tell they happen. Something they happen for the north. Some say fake ESN working and ask why not original ESN fight that fake. God's power, Okereke, I greet you. think you say you are from Malaysia. All the ways from Malaysia, I greet you, my brother. Welcome to my live broadcast. My bread or my Christmas gift all the way from Malaysia. Let's eat Malaysian money. Sorry, there is this message I saw in my WhatsApp. Now let me. Okay. Some Igbo people claiming to be smart, but they are not people. But they are not people that buying you people you celebrate. Some Igbo people claiming to be smart, but they are not people that buying you people you celebrate. Criminàl says, Odoguke Shidalo, no mind the bingos. They are irredeemable. Don't mind the blood suckers. Obara Shineke. Don't mind the Obara suckers. So, Kesh, you are doing a great job. Light will always disperse darkness. Thank you, my brother. AY says, Mr. Kesh, he says, my brother, you are saying the truth. Then Kenneth Emeka says, well done, Kesh. Keep on. Then Shukuka Stephen again says, some Igbo people, okay, I have read this. I've read this. Okay, Ume Samson said, my brother, you are doing very well. Very good work. Thank you. Thank you. Favor Shides says, Odoguke, also TV channel. With people like you, Ala Igbo, Gademma also. Once you mention Biafra, Ndị Igbo will cease to be reasonable. Merry Christmas, bro. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I love that. Once you mention Biafra, their brain will cease to be reasonable. Their brain will cease to be functioning. Their conscience will stop functioning once you mention Biafra. Biafra, I never know when it will come, if at all. There is a country called Biafra anywhere. So if it takes 20 years, 30 years, 50 years for Biafra to come, you will destroy what you have. Then if you destroy all these things you have, what are you going to use to sustain yourself till that Biafra come? If that Biafra can be in here 30 to 50 years, if we how Iberiberism, so you can call if you want to call now. If you want to call, you can call. Why I hate the Ipob. If government kpọtara Bakassi shọpụtara na-enweghị ụrụ nọ na the thing, they dissolve it immediately. You form your ESN. Not up to 6 months you formed ESN. Febide rụrụ aka. Up till now, close to 5 years, you have not done anything. Ordinary to borrow brain. You know if you go borrow brain to dissolve what you have created that have been causing damages in an Igbo. Buying of people. Why I like mentioning this thing I want to mention because so many of you have not heard about that. Why you need to shake. Can when Igbo mmadụ onwezi uru ọbara. That is onwezi ihe iji eme. Ọ ghọrọla gị normal thing Igbo mmadụ. Ọ ghọrọla gị normal thing. What about this story of this particular woman or the men as she nwa? And I go in a hospital because there was no motor, no bike. Ibriaga that night because of the insecurity. And when you crack at that time, book the bike or book the motor, you book the. Then away will up and I manage to get to a hospital. Your people stop them on the way. And they buy the woman. By cutting Ibewa Fuya. Kuputu Mwejima. Kurupo. Then buries the woman. Gaswoya ni ikwe. Swore the Mwejima nabo ni ikwe. Haven't you heard that? Haven't you heard that they bite husband and wife? Haven't you heard that now? A woman who won't more crop and ato. Three. Ya be here motor. That now these people grab more crop and ata in a day. Haven't you heard that? With all these things, Enagwam si shere. Mgbe release Nnamdi Kanu. Obago n'ime ị ka na-asị m shere mgbe ọ pụta ka ụnụ mara ihe unu ga-eme na ihe unu butere n'obodo. Obodo juru oyi ka gịnị? Ala Igbo, the most peaceful place enwere. Then Imo State, the most peaceful state enwere. Unu ebute ihe ọjọọ kunye n'ime. You are asking me to wait. Ume Samson, what are you trying to say? The guy that FC Beat tell me that is going to bring my car back for me from those ESN. Who was the guy? Who was the guy? Please come up. Who was the guy? Did you see the guy in this platform? Ume Samson. Ume Samson, I'm waiting. So these are the things that made me to hate these people. That made me to hate them with passion. They don't think about the Igbos. They don't have conscience. They have buried their conscience. They're not human. They don't think like in the Igbo. Of course, they say they came from Israel. It is high time they leave Ala Igbo for us now. Let us, who are the indigenes of Ndi Igbo, manage our place. Go to your place and agitate for whatever you are agitating. Ume Samson, I'm still waiting for you. I know that you did not know me. But okay. You don't, okay. I know that you did not know me, but I am the one you talk about in this your message some months ago about these ESN guys kidnapping me with my car. Okay. The guy that FC beat tell me that he's going to bring. Okay. I remembered. Mercy, how are you? Yes, I talked about it. I talked about your car. I talked about your car, and I think we chatted on WhatsApp. Okay, Alpha. I heard that some cars was recovered in their camp. Is your car among the cars they recovered? Some jeeps was recovered in that camp. Is your car among the cars recovered? Oh, please be a little bit fast in typing. Let me go to another thing. I have a reason why I'm asking you this year. Is your car part of the car recovered? That is the work we are. He said you have already talked about FC Beat in this your platform many times. Yes, I talked about it because we are not supporting evil. We are doing everything. And please, I don't know. I just want to be sure that Mama, that's your car, a recover. So my God, many jeeps and when some jeeps a recover from that their camp after the security invaded. I heard it from. No. For security reason, I can't bring him up. Well, let's see if he can cover camera. Ume Samson, if you can cover your camera, I can bring you up. I can't bring you up now because of security reasons. Pekupi Nnamdi, welcome to my live broadcast. Ume Samson, can I bring you up? Then you cover your camera. You have not got any car. Okay. But have you checked? Because that their camp. Okay. I will advise you check. I will advise you check and know if your car is among the car recovered. Huh? So that you will know if your car is among the car recovered. It will be better that you come up. It will also, I will later download the video and record it and send it to the people who then said it's in there too. If you can cover camera, just type yes. I saw okay. I never know the one Ikuru. Okay. Just type yes. If you want me to do that, then I will bring you up. Then you cover your camera. Then we'll talk later. I will know how to go about that. If they never sell the car or Bukasela the car, and open the car, no, it will still reach you. But that guy, Ichimoto Gieko, is on the run. The guy is on the run. IPNC is on the run. So say yes if you want me to bring you up. Ume Samson. My brother says, when are you killing another cow? When are you killing another cow? Okay, let me bring you up. When are you killing another cow? Last time, you know how many cow we killed?
unlike many cows, when the time reach, I will still announce it here. You say you miss the other one. This one you're not going to miss it. You gotta go. So we are mounting street lights now in Osun, Ipob. So once we are done with all those things, and if the executive decides that it is time to do the mass return on KIDO, because of I just the guy. Okay. So and now the mass return just come. I will keep using twins. I trust my people. I will keep using twins. Oh, we get back all we get back all from the buy well. My brother, I'm trying to bring you up. Up network. My network. Let me try again. Let me try again. I'm trying to bring you up. Please, if you never share my video, please send me to share my video. If you have never liked, please tell me to like. And don't, if you now, it will get tap. My brother, so that is how FCB is awareness. This is so painful. It's so painful. Since that time, we have never heard. Even the brother said that called during the program time anyway. That brother, up to now, what by now to go FCBs. Okay, maybe that is what you are going to do. Emergency, exit here, then come back. Then when you come back, let me know that you have come back. You got to go so that I will send again. Exit and come back. Criminàl, thank you for that. Exit and come back. Then when you come, please type so that I will know that you there. You got to go. If you know how to send the request, you can send the request there. It will be better that let me help you out. And we have helped so many people to recover their cars. Why I wanted to know if you have, because this propaganda Ipob people wanted to do, but maybe they find out that I'm not that kind of person. So maybe their leadership cautioned them. Maybe one or two. So though I don't really know, not Ipob member, let me know just, but all these their social media warriors, all these people fighting for them, all this, they wanted to, they said they want to use it, talk about lead, that I stopped talking about lead because of the money I had and they will pay me, that they are not paying me. That's why I stopped talking about lead. Then I checked on it, they said some of the people, all this kind of thing, So I wanted to know. I know how far I did because of your car. Have I ever asked you for data? Have I ever asked you for data, ordinary data? Have I asked you to send me data? But I involve myself in your case. And I know that I've never come to your to ask you for data. Okay. Welcome, my brother. Okay, my brother, welcome to my live broadcast.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Before you continue, please, that this particular discussion we are going to do now, that I will still cut it and send it to some people that can help me make a So I want you to understand that before we continue. Okay?
No problem. Already before. My voice recorder had to go on your platform before.
Yes, that was the one you sent to me.
Yeah.
Okay. I just wanted to know that this particular one. And at that time you sent me those things, I tried everything possible. I forwarded some of the things to some people. Mama, I got forward camera. targets were helpful out. And also about the SCPs, despite that now come up for mmadụ I actually ogbugbu mmadụ na Igbo ka man of Awka is rescue the guy, and up to now we have never come because anọ that lady campo I-pencil go ahead do your motor.
All those guys I-pencil ha be able to.
Can you remember how did it happen?
But much, you know, one certain time, just my friend in a barrier na Omaka. So and the monogomu I didn't Imo State. I don't miss the guy Imo State. So eventually, so the guy the weapon seen me barrier. So Nambiko I should make up Cambia the barrier. So we see okay, no problem. Nanga try my best. So those days, like that day, Friday, yeah. So I conclude, no problem. Because tomorrow my appointment in Abuja on Monday. So I'm saying okay, no problem. Kanga the barrier Ngana Bani. So open Ngana Bani. So na Saturday after the barrier, Kai Batawa. So can we bangu to Kawan Bosoka? Even Naka, can we reach on time? So I been DJ. Well, my nagazi, I put on a Kezia, we are our demi, our mamma. When I put a bar, Eban Damina, carry na Ukwoja, like all Ukwoji. So I bought Blake, where John Danele, then John did a legacy year bar, see her. Nine go mark. Kedos I get you by your marker. Fatola, I can Ukwoja. Always story I want to cook what ya. Always need to do my cook what ya, young man. Have to go to Ayaka. So I got what on Eban Damina, I got on no whereby is it you quote. I used to have doctor. I stop. I went doctor and I go marker. Can I see where guy? So I meet here the first thing okada. So the first thing okada we go I say na okay na nya either 25. No got buy you ega we see ebe na ga the stop boy. Mgbe kwuru ya over the area. I feel like not the whole normal.
Possible. Viewers, please, I want you to pay attention. There are so many things you will learn from this story. Don't just, and help me to share. There are so many things you will learn. I have heard that actually nobody come or the same thing and it's still the same thing on others the same tone. So I am convinced that he is telling us the truth. Because he can forward. Then today the person is telling another the same story and analyzing it the way all the Genti only Higamota. Also, you know your Okada. But my brother continue.
So I stop on the junction and look at Jureba. So I stop or don't look at I go marker. So for puta, where I say no do I without disturbance. Omazi disturb why. Without Omazi disturb why. Without Omazi disturb why. So I already so we left that onyanka. So kagideze niru we meet here onyedika an elderly man. We go onya na kwe bai na aga o. O we say no onakwa ya ebe 25. So onya soro I soro onya niru na agazi. Onya na aga niru, I na aga na aso ya. So kagide. Over point I teziri. The person na onya kada akwụsị wetora ya aka say na eba no Igbo na straight kata eweta ụmụaka ozugbo na atụrụ ya aka ya group of people abịazie double cross side tụrụzie ya egbe n'iru n'ime na atụdara ya egbe n'iru a na-agwa gị ya onye ọkada anyị na-asụzi ọkada ka ihe na-emezi onye ọkada sị ya anyị ego onye ọkara dị yo dị desperate bụ ka enyi ya ego onye na-asị ka na-emezi ọsara enyi ego na onwe ya na-eme na isoro ha so those guys square na nyekwe onye ọkara ya ego anyị were ego onye ọkada ajụwa those guys ka ihe na-emezi fasaya na onwe ya na-eme jụọ ka ebe anyị na-aga anyị gwa ya na anyị na-aga ụmụaka ọsọ ya for gain I say ya for burial so na ka esi kpọpụta ya na moto ahụ were akwa anyị kechie ya anya buruzie moto anyị wee buru moto o webe moto anyị mgbe because chi ejibeghị mgbe anyị because anyị pụrụ n'oge mgbe ji pụọ ebe 4 mgbe ji ruo ebe anyị ihe dịka ebe 5 o'clock or 5 something so o webe adrọpụrụ anyị dewezi anyị ebe a nnekọsị anyị fon anyị dewezi anyị ebe a hapụ almost mmadụ 3 ha na-eseke ya ebe a ekechikwara ya anya so ọ nọgidezi ebe ọ na-akụ ihe dịka ebe na-abanye ebe ebe 8 or 9 so ha abịakwa ọzọ wee buruzie anyị burukwe moto anyị wee buruzie anyị wee gabazie ebe a na-akpọ ya ebe ha kpọrọ mgba ha bụ anyị gaba bụ tanko 2 ọ ya ka na-akpọ tanko 2 ka ebu anyị wee gaba so rutezie ebe a buba anyị ebe a were ga-akụ ya anyị n'ọkpa were foonu anyị foonu m na-abụ were sie ya even sef nka na-afụ onye isi ha ebe ọ na-eyuzu foonu m because na TikTok m na-afụ ya so were our phone na-afụ ya na bedday ya na icheke bedday owe iPhone owe Samsung ọ na-eyuzu fold Samsung ọ nke m ka ọ bụ fold 4 ọ fold ndị ya o ji ase picture so ọ na-eweta aka ya dịka ebe that day ọ na-eweta aka ifere ka n'ime abalị fa abịakwa ọzọ si anyị kpọọ paswọọdụ bankị anyị so anyị were the password nye ha the password ha pụọ anyị afọzi ha ọzọ anyị owezi ka anyị si fọ ha ọzọ after 4 days or 3 days ka a nachitekwara azụ ọzọ kpọpụta anyị n'ilo
oge ahụ cherekwa ewe n'iwe uche gị dị n'ihe na-ekwu oge ahụ kọrọ ọka anyị ghara isi ọta a na-ekwe ya na mmanya oge ahụ that days ahụ ha nọ ha na-ekwe n'ụmụ imi ebe a
owo ndị na-esiri ha nri ebe a I swear owo ndị ebe a that community a community a dị ka ha na-eme nwanne even sef ka m si afọ onwe m ọ bụgo na mgbe ha na-eme ya na mgbara ọsọ gbakpo na be mmadụ ọ dị possible onye a mgbakpo na biya ịgbọpụtakwa m jekọkpọrọ ndị ahụ ọ dị ka a na-ebi anyị nri mana onye nọ anyị hụrụ nwaanyị nọ in custody afọ ụbọchiri anyị ọ dị ka na-efi ebutere anyị rice ebutere rice up to 4 times ebe ahụ anyị nọ so after mgbe ha bịaziri si anyị kpọzie ndị nke anyị ka ha sendere anyị ka ndị a sendere ha ego ka ha lapụ ha so mana mgbe anyị kpọwaziri ego anyị rezizi eburo ibu ego ndị mmadụ sendere anyị eburo ibu mana ha akụpụgo ego dị na akaụntụ anyị asụwe fa akụpụgo nnukwu ihe na akaụntụ anyị so after the 4 days ọ dịkọ nke 4 days ahụ ka ha bịazi si na onye isi ha sisi lapụ anyị wụna ka esi buruzi anyị ti na moto je drọpụ anyị na Owere ọma m ebe ya mana ọ dịkọ na Owere n'abalị anyị abatawa obodo akwụ na ka o si mee
ego ole ihe dịka ego n'ụlọ ewe n'iwe
ewepụrụ ebe 9 million naira na UBM wepụ ebe 2 million 8 na ebe 2 million 8 na First Bank wepụ 2 million 8 ewe 9 million naira na UBM wee 2 million 8 na First Bank anyị sendekwara ha akpọkwa ndị mmadụ sendekwara ha almost ebe 2 million 4 my friend m na-eso ihe a nke a bụ ka 4 million nke ewepụra nke ya
ndị mmadụ ka ọ nọ n'afọ onye mere dis na na-ekwu iPencil The same person as police declare wanted. I share a platform. So many of you didn't even attack. Or I personally this thing. You heard me saying that now. The phone here, on I use here. Kebano issue motor one.
Since ya, na you man the team be a team ojo na aru. I swear. Yeah, but ojo aba ma aru of more. So mbe nozi na fuzi FCB te ebe na comment those guys. So mgbe tata FCB this year nye mezni ihe ọ na-eme na ndị anyị fụkịta na ọ bụghị na o si eche ka ndị a dị ya nekwa ihe mee m ya nekwa ka m na ndị a si wee ga ya masị so FCB bịa si m ọ bịa wee nwute si m iwe ka ya verify che obere oge ọ nachitazụ kpọọ m na fon si m na ha na kọmanda a kpaa na fon na the commander gwa ya gwazi nyawanụ nge bụ FCB nya bịa buru moto m nya bịa ka o buru my car so ona ka osikwu FCB gwa m si m mgbe a na ya na Abuja na